Yung kabila, Batangas na.
Ah, okay. Saan yung Taal dyan?
Ay, hindi makita.
Ah, hindi makita sa kabila yan, ano?
Yung Berlin sa Batangas.
Ah, okay.
Ay,
Okay, nice view of Puerto Galera, Oriental Mindoro. Ay, nagkakuha lang ako ng 7 minutes. Ganun yung ginagawa nung gayahin ko nga. Binalibaliktad yung cellphone. Swerte nyo no, ang dami niyang tourist spot dito. Yeah. The other side, Daddy, according to the guy, is Batangas already.
Yeah, that's over
Yeah, this
there,
one,
eh?
yes.
It's fairly near, eh? Okay. Oh my gosh.
How about your machinery, Daddy?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Smoking, that's the most important.
Mm-hmm. Look at the view from here. So many tourists stop by here to take some photo and video about this beautiful, oh my god, majestic view. I love Mindoro. See, this one, so many green trees all over, fresh air, nice people also. See, we have our tricycle driver is our tourist guide also, tour guide, and it's free. Yeah. See this one. Wow. Flex natin. That's our driver. Okay. Then let's use this one. So good. Very calm. And it's nice that it's not too sunny here. It's very cool. Oh, let's walk a little here. There's a local here selling many halo-halo. Also, look at this coconut. Say hello. It's that big. At this corner. They're selling buko. Hello. Nakabili na kami doon sa pwedeng pa-photo lang ako. Very nice. Ang ganda ng nyo, surrounding. Pwedeng pumunta dyan. Galing kami sa Tamaraw Falls. Wow. Oh, they have turtles. Look at this one.
Good morning.
Good morning. Daddy, yeah, you can take some photo here. Very close.
You know? galing?
Nagpakon balihon.
Bidget oh.
Mama, I love. I don't know.
Oh, very fresh air here. See a boat?
Ah.
Hello. Yeah, they're selling halo-halo here. Okay? Yeah. Yes, Daddy. They are selling buko also. Thank you. There's an orchids. Let's go.
Can I have orchids here?
Yes.
But it's not natural.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just check. Maybe I'll find the soil for plants. I will find a small store for plants now.
This one.
Yeah,
At the
small
beach.
one, eh? No, not that one.